Number 1! Grabe si Boss Toyo, pinagana yung mic. Mamaya mag-upside show ka nun siya. Ako doon na ba ito? Parang yun na. Sisigaw ko na lang. Sige, umikot. JC, jump shot, boarding, wala. Wala ka, number 15.
Bola.
Wala bang megaphone? Ano ko na lang. Ang score natin, 9-8. Lamang ang under. Doggy. Kick out to make it. Uy, daming traveling ko yun ah. Ang YFC Toulouse. Kinorek lang. Joji, lumayap. Boom! 11-8, lamang na rin ang Overdogs. Jump shot, vice number, no good. Tip in, nakuha ni Pasig. Pasig, Guardiado, naipit. Grabe naman! Grabe! Okay. Strawberry, ha? Oo. Nakuha number 30, jump shot. Uy!
Technical, pag hindi tumama, technical. Kapag tumama, unsport pa like all tayo.
Nice pass to Magsalos Jr. Anyway, shot is good. Ang score, 14-10. George, dinala yung bola. Dumiretso, lumipad, foul and 1. Mapure pa kay Idol. Ay, sino yan? Figurito ba yan? Naka-block? Oh, wala. Hindi, sa okay pant yan. Guard, baka yung huli oh. Snatcher. Number 727. Pinasa kay Morente. 10 second shot clock. Lumay baseline. Kaya boom! Uy! Galing na ano. Kaya niyo yun? Tulog yun, Luz. JC, no good. Nakuha rin ba? Kailan na Corneo number 1. Corneo. Pass to the middle. Left hand shot. Good na naman para kay Morente. 17-14, at lang kalamangan na overs. Nakuha na naman ni Hodge. Low dribble, teardrop, good! Parang nakita ko na yun kay Arcilia. Corneo, sinala. Pinasa. Kick out to Corneo. Jump shot. No good. Tip out. Nakuha ni Gonzales Jr. Nice pick. Nakuha na ni Yoji. Yoji gitnang-gitna na naman. Taas ng care nun. Hindi niya maabot yun. 21-14. Last 45 seconds in the first quarter. Morente drive. Bounce pass inside. Libre-libre para kay RB. 21-16. Lanson, mainit to. Nung Tuesday pa to. Nice shot. No good. Nabati. 29 seconds. Morente. Nice pass to RB. Ay! Wala ka lang. Nakuha ni Morente. Ay! Shot mo lang yung Lods. Yodge. Nag-drive. No good. 15 seconds. Deep in. Grabe. Uy, grabe naman yun. 4 points in a row. 4 seconds. 3. 1 second. Kasoy tuloy. Grabe. End of the first quarter, 25. First time niya. Ano yun? Uniform foul. Oh my God. Cordeo. Dribble sa gitna. Stolen by Cedric. Tulatson. Good na naman. Best player na naman to. 27-17. 10 kalamangan ng overs. Cordeo. Binigay kay number 16. Morente. Taking the lead. Jump shot. Good. Ang sabi. 27-19 ang score natin. Magsalos Jr. to Yodge. Nice pick. Side step layup. Good. Grabe naman yun. I-score mo na lang sa controller. Sure na. 29-19. Favor of Overdogs. De La Cruz. Bounce pass to Corneo. Morente pinag-isipan. Sliding stash. No good. Rebound. Ayun. Outlet to Magsalos Jr. Dalawa silang point guard. Lumipad. Good. Grabe. Kanino nagbana yun? Parang wala namang ganoon sa dalawang kuyang Magsalos. Number 16. Binigay kay Corneo. Swing to Morente. Corner shot pick. Baseline shot. No good. Rebound. Foul and one! Grabe, parang si Mariano ng Hoods. Flex na ng kulang. Looks.
Si Oliver.
O bakit?
Oliver Mariano.
Diba? Ganun na ganun yun, no? Muscle memory. Extra shot. Oh, pasok. Hey, Looks! Diba? 31-22. Nalong pa rin ang Overdogs. Agripa. Grabe na pass. Kay Vince Carter. Layup. Good. Morente. Yodge with the ball. Yodge. Muntik na. Layup na. 33-24. Busog na si Yodge ngayon, ah. De La Cruz. Bullet pass to Arthur. Grabe si Arthur. Proud na si Kuya. Nag-chat sa akin, oh. From the US. Ilan points ka daw? Yodge, pinasa. Lanson. No good. Rebound by Cedric. Foul and one pa rin. Para kay Cedric. Grabe yun. Oo, counted. 35-26. With an extra shot from Cedric. Grabe. Boom, boom, boom. Shoot na naman. 36-26. Lawang ng 10 ang underdoggy dog. De La Cruz. Nice play. Sila sa corner kay Corneo. Swing. Cross-court pass to Morente. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Yodge. Grabe, bitak masa aero. Nice steal. Pass inside. Ay, na-steal. Naka-white team na si Luigi. Oh. Number 20, binigay kay Latson with a floater. Sobra, nakuha ni Yodge ang rebound. Yodge, baseline, masigip, foul. Oh, pre, naka-white kasi. Kaka-ano yan. Pwede bang ano lang, skins na lang? Oo, pwede ba? Ito Lods Cup, para ano, paiba ka oh. Oo. Yun. Okay pa muna sa substitution. JC, pinasa kay kapatid. Block shot, no good. Nakuha ni Lanson. 10-second shot clock. Lob pass, Magsalos. Layup, good. 38-26. Lamang pa rin ang over. Uy! The last move. Harvey with the ball. Harvey. Revive, layup, no good. Rebound by JC. To Yodge. Yodge. Oh! Hindi na kasi layup. Nakuha. Pinaling. Corrente. No good. Rebound by number 1. Corrente with the deep basket. 38-28. Magsalos Jr. to Cedric. Cedric to a cutting. JC. JC stolen by RD. Binigyan. Torneo. Number 1. Sliding violation. Grabe yun.
Sliding maneuver.
Kulang sa cope. Dapat may jail. Sliding violation yun. Wala na, Lord, mamaya na. Kick to the corner to Cedric. Cedric, binigay kay T-shirt. Corner shot, no good. Nariba ni Corneo. Kick out, ay nakuha ni Yodge. Yodge. Substitution. Grabe naman yun. Time out. Paris. Ano na yun? Number 1, corner shot. No good. Nakuha ni Pasige. Kick out to the Santo Boy. Uy, stolen by number 1. Behind the back. Dribble, layup. Uy, sayang. Para kay Morente. 38-28. Grabe yun, Pax Alvarado. JC, bumit na, bounce pass. Ang ganda pasa. Ito Pasige. Pasige, good. 40-30. Corrente. Long range bomb, wala. Nakuha ni JC. Sinasa bullet pass mo.
Ba't ka tumawa? Oy. Ba't ka tumatawa, pre? Ba't ka tumatawa?
Grabe naman yun. Ginawa mong baseball, Lods. De La Cruz. Love inside. No good. Follow up. Ay, baka sa patin. 2, number 1. Ino, paro po. Ha? Ano? Abot ba yun, Lods eh? Grabe naman. Baba lang. GMI. De La Cruz, binigay kay Morente. Morente. Sinayawan na si Pasic. Nice move. Jump shot. Grabe, parang McGrady. 40-34. Stolen. Pero turnover. Cedric. Binigay kay T-shirt. Gray. Gray Wolf. Na turnover. Nakalikod. Yoji. Layup is good. Morente. Lumusot. Nice pass inside. To Hilo. George. With an easy layup. Naka-superstar trigger. 44-36. De La Cruz. Sunod for press. Stolen by Pasige. All alone. In the island. Oy! Uy! Jopeji! Grabe, Lods. Not counted. Lameano. Pinasakay. Cornejo to Nilo. Kick out to Flaviano. 3-point shot. No good. Rebound by Pasige. Pasige. Pinasakay Yoji. Yoji. Lab. Uy! Standing alley-oop yun. Di na inabangan. 46-36. Oh, foul. And one. Ilan na siya? Order for foul out. Si Morente. Grabe naman. Hindi ba siya yung captain? Hindi, lima. Ay, hindi pwede. Okay, back to the games. 14-42. Magsalos Junior. Nakuha niya ulit. 3-point shot. Oh, no good. Nakuha ni Morente. Morente. Nice defense by Junior. Morente. Binigay kay De La Cruz. Nice pick. De La Cruz. Kick out to Flamiano. 3 points. No good. Rebound by Sales. Sales. 2 more drive. Robin, dribble. Binigay kay Gonzales Jr. Kick out to Cedric. Cedric. 10 second shot clock. Binigay kay Lanson. Lanson, kumeke. 5 seconds. Lay up by Sales is good. 50-42. Walo ang kalamangan ng Overdogs. De La Cruz, ginawa ni Magsalos Jr. Binigay kay RB. Swing to Morente. Keeper shot. Boom! Cover Morente. 50-45. Binigay. Lanson, nice pass inside the line. Beray, nauli. Lods, nag-isip pa. I-dribble ko, hindi. Morente, sizing up the defense. Pinasa kay De La Cruz, fake pass na naman. Swing, kick out to Flamiano. 10 second shot clock. Bumali! Panis! Grabe! Ang net pass is... Ano yun? Turnover.
Pahinga lang tayo. Iyan, maglalaro mo
3
yung tempo
points
na
na
to.
lang kalamangan ng Overdogs. Magiging under na ulit. Tingnan natin. Hilo, binigay. Nice speed move by Morente. Libre. Good! Quad motion. Pwede rin 2 motion. Pwede rin 3 motion para si Jordan. Brandon Baulan. Hilo. Ano 3 motion eh? 1, 2. Basta ere ka na. Grabe yun, Chon. Oo. Nakuha ni Gonzales Jr. Nice move. Nice pass to Cedric. Cedric. Jump shot. Wow. Triple cup. 52-49. Extra shot po. Ay, ano pala? 2 shots for Cedric. Second personal foul pala on Dilo. First shot, no good. Second shot, good. Dilo, nagdala. Dilo, making a move, bounce inside to Flamiano, mid-range shot, no good. Nakuha ni Sales. Sales naghanap to JC. JC, driving in the lane. Nice pass sa kapatid, no good. Nakuha ni RB. RB, dribbling the ball. RB. Uy! Over-under, kulang sa drills loads. Substitution! Pasok na ulit si Nodge para palamangin. And ano to? Sub na ulit. Pasige. Uy, inbound daw. Pasige with the ball. 53-49. Pasige. Binigay kay Baksak. Back to Pasige. Pasige to Junior. Split in the floater. Good. Ring. 55-49. 6 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Flamiano, nagdala. Binigay. 10 second shot clock. Morente, sumubok ulit sa malayo. Oy, no good. Rebound by RB. Flamiano, boarding good. 55-51. Apat na lang ang kalamangan. Foul on number 32. Yan na. Third personal foul. Second shot is good for Cedric. Nilo swing to Morente, baseline dive, nice pick, no good. George with the ball. George, atake na ulit. Dire-diretso, pero no good. Rebound pa rin niya. Laying up, boom. 58-51. Outlet pass to Morente. Nice pass inside, foul and one for RB. Substitution. Take it, corner. Extra shot for RB. Realonda. Uy, si Kel, magaling na. Okay, lalaro ka. Laro ka, Kel. Rebound to Yodge. Outlet pass to JC. Layup. Good. 60-53. Napasa kay Nilo. Nilo, inside to Morente. Floater. Good. Cedric, nagdadala. 10-second shot lang. Magsalos, driving at baseline. Good. 62-55. 4 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Cedric, kinuha na ang point guard. Damiano kick out to Morente. 10-second shot lang. Morente, atake na. Kick out to Nilo. Libre. Good. 3 points. 62-58. Oh, wow.
Loose ball foul. Number 1.
Lima.
Loose ball foul on Nilo. Number 29 si Hodge, warning for hunting. Oh, base. Asa white ba? Sino ba? Si Hodge mismo. Hindi, warning lang. Warning for technical si Hodge.
Bakit?
Hunting daw, Lods. Hunting. Hunting. Last play, Hodge. Sixty-two, 58. Morente. Nice move, nakaiwan. Pass inside, binalit. Ganda na play. Give and go. For Morente, Nilo. Cedric, nakuha. Dalawa na lang kalawakan ng overdogs. Cedric, tinatansya, depensa. 14-second shot lang. Ginamit ng discreet. Baseline. Drive. Good. Morente. Dadala. Gonzalo Gonzalez. Morente making a move. Morente, nice dribble. 10-second shot clock. Foul.
Wala.
Foul on Salas. Pushing foul. Apat kalawanan ng over. Swing. Putik na. Ma-steal. Delikado yung Lodge. Binigay kay Damiano. 10-second shot clock. Binigay kay Corneo. Quick release shot. Hey! 3 points. Isa na lang. Palamang ng overdogs. Magsalos. Binigay kay Cedric. Cedric. Hesitation. violation. Baseline sila lang. Foul and one for Cedric. Alat! Pwede ba? Ang Caris. Extra shot for Cedric. Good for the 3-point play. 67-63. Labang ulit pa rin ang under. 1 minute remaining in the first half. Morente. Nice defense.
Oras, oras.
40 second shot clock.
Oras.
Running time. Binigay sa corner. 3-point shot. Good! Good, Flaviano. Isa na lang kalaman. 35 seconds remaining. Cedric. Kinuha na to Yodge. 30 seconds. Yodge. Pass to JC. 3-point shot. No good. Rebound na Yodge. Pero foul. Number 16, pushing foul. Penalty na ang Paris. No good, first shot. Wala pa rin, pangalawa, nakuha ni De La Cruz. De La Cruz to Nilo. Nilo driving, foul on JC. Blocking foul on number 9, Tony Parker. 12 seconds. Pero ano pala, free throw.
Third quarter.
Foul.
Third quarter.
Oy, wala din. First shot. Third shot is wala. Pero, ano yun? Lane? Lane violation. Uy, second lane violation na. Sayang. 11 seconds. 11 seconds remaining in the first half. Nakuha ni Yodge, pero foul. Foul, yung basura. Penalty for... Warning for foul out. Si, number 1, Nilo. Warning for foul out. This player, First shot is good.
Wala mo ang gagawin ng stretching. Ha? Nag-iisip eh. Iba tinuturuan ko
Under
alam mo.
box speed. Both shots, good. 10 seconds remaining. Morente, kaarang-kada na. Morente, looking to make a quick basket foul. Meron pa, 2.9 seconds. Pero foul din. Grabe, push nun ah. 8, ano yun? 7 seconds. Right away. First shot, rolls in. 69-67. Second shot, good. Pinagulong ulit. Cedric. Cedric, nagharap. Pinato na. Pasipin! No good. 69-68. Lamang ng isa ang Underdogs. End of the first half. Oh,
Laro naman si ano eh,
foul out
si Jan.
ang, 32 saka 1.
Tayo.
Pinag-isipan, Nilo, corner shot. 3 points is good. Lumabang na ang Caris.
Sabihin mo!
Ang ganda na simula ng Caris. 5 points agad. Underdogs na ulit. Ang underdogs. Agripa. Rocky foul on. Ano yun? Number 5. Cornejo, first personal foul. Ladson to inbound. Ladson binigay kay Hodge. 3-point shot, no good. Rebound by Morente. Ayan na, ang Caris. Guardado ni Sales from the half court. Binigay kay Nilo. Same spot, Peke. Nilo, teardrop, no good. Rebound by Cedric. Cedric, 3-on-2, lamp to Lanson. Lanson, nice pick. 3 points, no good. Rebound by Hodge. And the follow-up play. 71-73, lamang pa rin ang Caris. Cornell, tinawid. Looking for a play. 10 seconds shot clock. Ay, 14 seconds pala. 10 seconds, Cornell, stop it back, no good. Struck down by number 1. 10 seconds. Nice pass to RB Black by Hodge. 6 seconds, shot clock. 6 seconds. Ang layo naman. Sayang. Yeah. Sponsor ako sa Pepsi. Bawal ako dyan, Bugs. Sponsored by Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. Said, ayun na to, Sales, driving inside with a 2-point shot. Well, lang score. 73 all. Morente using the screen. Morente measuring up the 10 second shot clock. Morente, nice pass to RB, big shot naman. Natuto na, pineke na. Lamang na ulit ang Caris. Hodge, going for it.
Kailan ba tayo? Sunday naman yung...
Lucky foul. 2 shots for Hodge.
Sunday, Monday, di ba?
Number 5, second personal foul.
Sunday, Monday, ba?
First shot, no good. Second shot is good. Ano yan? 74-75. Isa pa rin kalamangan ng Caris. Corner shot. Cornejo, no good. Sales with the rebound. Sales. Diretso. Foul on Flamiano. Oh my God. Grabe naman. 2 shots for Ray Boy. First shot. Tumulong. Second shot, good na. All na naman ang score natin. 75 all. Guarded by the team. Foul sa baba. Si
Dito sa lalo.
number 15. 17, Lanson holding the hands of the enemy. RB, binigay kay Nilo. Susubok. Hey! 3 boys! 75, 78. Lamang na ulit ang Caris. Hodge, keeping his head down. Layang good. Grabe yun. Diretso. Isa na lang ulit kalamangan ng Caris. Kinukuha na sa half-court si Morente. Morente, 40 second shot clock using the screen. Fake, Nilo, back to Cornejo. 3 points, no good. Nakuha ni Hodge ulit. Hodge, agresibo. Dumiretso na naman. For the layup. Lamang na naman ang isa ang underdogs. 6 minutes remaining in the fourth quarter. Flamiano guarded closely by Cedric. Flamiano kick out. Stolen, pero... Uy! Pwede. Tama! Oh, uy, isa pa ng superstar. Kami nanonood ngayon ah. Shout out, move it. Lumipad na si Hodge, no good. Nakuha niyo na rebound. Sayang. Close game, 81-78 lamang ang Overdogs. Ogie with the ball. Kinuha ni Cedric. Swing to JR Magsalos Jr. pala. Magsalos inside. Nice break. Pino. Basket and one for Caris. Uy, sino foul out? Foul out to ARD. Substitution, Fabiano inside. First shot, no good. Nakuha ni De La Cruz. Binigay kay number 5. Buti na sa loob. Nice pass to number 1. 83, tatlo na lang kalamangan. Nice defense being played by Caris. Kino-cover na nila ang buong court. Agrippa, guarded by Corteo. Agrippa. SA shot clock, Hodge. 2-point shot. Corrente, love pass to Corneo. Fired one! Nice pass by Caris. 85-82. Extra shot, pasok. At dalawa na lang kalamangan. 3 minutes remaining and 40 seconds. Magsalos, binigay kay Gray. Gray, baseline, foul! Second personal foul on ano. Penalty na daw, penalty. Penalty na daw. Huli na ako sa balita. Oh, good! Grabe yung movie. Uy, parang McGregor yan ah. Conor McGregor. Good, pakopyahan yan. Pwede bang i-copy paste? Nice layup! No good, sayang! Grabe yan! Follow up! With a foul with Danilo. 85-83. Tarot. Cancel daw. Kala ko ano. Kautak pala daw. Dami niyo pang tama, Floyd. First shot is good by Nilo. Both shots good. All lock score. Timeout. Underdogs. Wala pa nga. Nasa referee pa yung bola. Cedric. 85 all. Cedric, umatake. Grabe. LRT, Subuendia. Dinidiretso. Labak na ulit ang underdogs. Bilarja ka na niyon ng point guard. Pero, pushing foul. Oh. Ilang foul na siya? May personal foul on Jones. 87-85. Triple shot! Goal! Second goal sa Caris. 2 minutes 30 seconds remaining. Cedric driving. Ballon. Ano yun ah? Solid yun ah. Parang puto yung tumama eh. Oh, substitution now for underdoggy dog. Committee timeout muna, injury report. Oy, sub daw. Sub na kung sa sub. Substitution. Oh, substitution na. Kung gusto nyo lang. Uy. Change 5. Grabe naman. Iwag daw.
Warning. Wait lang. Iba yung nature ng kanina.
Delaying the game. Warning for delay of game. Underdogs. Sino ba papasok? Sino labas? Wala. Si Ivan na lang. Sige na nga. Oo. Abiling ko na. Tinalo kami niyan. Sa mic pa. Para alam ng lahat. Extra shot for Cedric Good. 88 orang score. Oo. Olga. Shoot. Nice dribble by Morente. Kumain na screen. Nice dribble pa rin. Nawala lang na still Yoji. Dire-diretso na naman. For the left hand. Wala. Nakuha ni Nilo. Binigay kay Morente. Mag-aantay. Last 2 minutes. Guardiado ni Magsalos Jr. 10 seconds shot clock. Morente swing to Flaviano. Big shots. Nakuha pa rin. 10 seconds shot clock. Stolen na naman. Hindi nakatira. Magsalos. Bumble the ball. Turnover by both teams. 1 minute 45 seconds remaining in the 5th quarter. Morente. Kumain na screen. Morente. Kanya na. Fade away. Goal! 88-90. Yodge mag-isa. Yodge. With a layup. Sinagat ka agad. 90 all ang score. 1 minute 20 seconds remaining in the 7th quarter. Morente on an island with Sales. Morente nakaiwan with a scoop layup, isolation play. Grabe yun. 1992, lamang na naman ng Caris. Nagtaon na whole court. Judge. Grabe. Ang dalira ng basketball. 92 all. Nakuha na ni Morente from the half-court yung bola. Tinawid. Morente nag-init. Morente guarded by Greyboy. 14 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. Iwan na naman. Baseline. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Uy. Ulit tayo. 6 second shot clock. 16. Kumeke ulit. Traveling. Violation. 46 seconds, all ang score natin. Grabe, unang maka-score, advantage na. Pressure on Caris for a stop. Cedric picking up the ball, tinawid. Naku, wala ng dribble, hindi naman kay Yodge. Yodge with a top board. Napaganda ba? 2 points ang naman ng underdog Nilo, binigay kay Morente. Uy, binato! Boy! Parang si RJ Guerrero! Grabe yun! Naman ng isang Ares, 30 seconds. Cedric, binato! Attack! Lucky foul! Lucky foul! Siyempre, may ano yan. Two shots for Cedric. First shot is good. Time out na pagsubot. Time out na pagsubot. 95 all, pampalamang to. Second shot is good. Time out. Carries lamang ng isa ang Overdogs. Nilo to inbound the ball. 25 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter.
Tingin o.
Making a move. Oh, good. Nice defense by Cedric. Naabangan.
Papalo pa natin.
0.66 variance. Shot clock at the game clock. George, nakuha yung bola. Lamang sila. 20 seconds remaining. 1 point lang lamang ng kalaban. Si George ang napak. 1 second difference between the game clock and the shot clock. 15 seconds remaining. First shot. No good. Boy na boy pa. Warning for penalty ang Both shots no good. Penalty na Overdogs. Yung white, yung warning. Penalty na ang green. Sino titira? Sino na foul? Ano to? 1 point lang alamang. 2 shots coming for Nilo. Paropo. First shot, wala.
Sinabi mo na si Gigi, man. Sinabi mo na si Gigi. Same vibes.
Wala! Nakuha ni Rog! Ang rebound! Para naman! Ang sakit. Si Joe Obin, 3 free throw pasok.
Tara, dito tayo. Walang babaw.